Hi everyone. In previous tutorial, you learned how we can draw a 3D object in Autocad. And now in this tutorial, we will do the dimensioning in 3D of this object. We will do the dimensioning like this. First, we will give the base dimension, then upper, then upper. So let's start. For dimensioning, you have to go here, annotate, and you select here a linear. And you should always use this word before starting a dimension. Click linear, select this endpoint and this endpoint. So the dimension is not properly set. So you click here and click on modify, and here we will set the dimension. You can give any color as per your choice. And here you can choose the arrow like dot, close, open, architecture trick. So we will choose close blank, and here I will increase the arrow size height by 3, and I will change this text to blue, and I will also increase the text height 3, and I will change this center. You can see every changes will be shown here. So if you want to move it outside, it will go outside. So I want centered only here. Click on primary unit and select the precision format 0 and OK and close. So now it is set here. Again click this one, select this one and this one. Now we will do this dimensioning, these three above. For that we have to go home and select here. Click on faces, select this one, select this one and accept. Now we want to do the dimension this side, so our x direction should be that side. So I will give you the example why we need that side. If we will do dimensioning now, see the dimension is in the opposite side. So for changing the x direction, click here and the right click, rotate z axis and function F8 for ortho, select. And if we will do the dimensioning now it's perfectly alright as per our requirement. Same way, here you can do the adjustment by dragging the dimension outside. Or you can realign also. Always pick the end point of the dimension. And now we'll give this 12 and 6. Now we have to change the uses for this one. Now we want X on that side. So click here, rotate my Z, my X is that side. Select this one. Now this dimension is perfectly alright. You have to know how you change the axis on which side. This is the main criteria for doing the dimension in the AutoCAD 3D. So we done this three dimension here. This one we will give here a diameter dimension here. Now we will give the top dimension. Go to home here. Click faces. Select this one. Accept. Go to annotate. Select linear. We have to rotate the Z X to that side. Click this one. Rotate by Z. Click here. Rotate by Z on that side. And this is 12. We will drag this on that side. Same way here. We will give this dimension now. So now we will give this first front view this dimension 20 and 10. Click on home, select faces, select this one, accept, annotate here, linear, this is 20, drag in the mid. So these two, now we give the diameter. Click here, select diameter, select this one. Change edit and type here 2 holes of, and now we will give the arc dimension here. Again go to home here, pick faces, select this one, enter, We go to home here, select faces. This one, accept, annotate radius. So this is 16. Now we will give this two dimension inside, and here to go to home here and select this faces. Accept, annotate, click on linear center of this one and perpendicular of this, and now we will give diameter. In this way you can do dimensioning in 3D. We already done the dimensioning of this one. If you have any concern regarding dimensioning in E3D, please let me know, then I will try to help you. Thanks for watching.